So hello, we are back again. We had a small interruption. So before the interruption happened, I was telling you that GBP USD is more inclined to sell this week as opposed to buy this week, based on the short positions put on by the hedge funds. Number two, based on our analysis, okay? Based on our analysis, let's go to the 1 day. Let's see what's happening in the 1 day time frame. So on the 1 day time frame, it is still indicating a sell. However, remember this was supposed to be the point at which price either reversed for a swing buy or continued with a sell, because this point was a sweet spot point using the Fibonacci. So this was a very critical point, and I'm guessing, apart from the seasonal tendency, I'm guessing that the reason why price never moved at all is because of those reasons. That first, March is a low volatility month. Number two, this was a very critical point. So if you put your Fibonacci like that, you'll see that this level, if you place your fib very well, in fact right now it is not that this level has been totally broken. No. So price was oscillating from this point to this point to this point again. Okay, so we are waiting for it to at least break this level here, 0.236. Then we can start to consider for a stronger sell. So when we jump today on GBP USD, of course price action right now is showing a steady sell, but based on price action, last week's price action, the best place to buy this pair will be there, or somewhere there. So I've taken the Asian low, then I've taken the high of Thursday. So price is likely to form a Judah swing. So this was a very okay. Yeah, so if price is able to get to such a level, by the way, because first of all, price has already cleared has already been retested when it cleared this level. So when we broke down or we went below this level, price came and retested it. So it is highly unlikely price is going to retest it again unless it wants to continue buying, and in which case it has also broken this level. So this also indicates a stronger sell to the downside. So the only reason why I'm putting my sell limit at 3400 is because this high and this low can give us a good level to do what? To get in. Okay, so Mondays I don't like to take trades on Mondays, because Mondays I want to at least understand. I want to have something called foresight. So I want to know what is going to happen. At least I get that move. Okay, instead of getting in the markets just like that without any reason, at least I get an understanding of exactly what's going to happen in the course of the week with the first move of Monday. So Monday I'm just trying to observe when we get here. So when we get here, we are going to start selling. When we start selling, then we are going to do this, then we do this. Okay, also another very important sweet spot I would like to put my eyes on. So my eyes on this level. So my third eye is on this level. My third eye is on this sweet spot level. So my eye is on this sweet spot level. It's also on this sweet spot level. You know, getting price at discount, premium. So discount, sweet spot level. So if it does not come to this level, if it breaks this level, then this will be my new level. That will be my new level. Okay, so this is the month of April, is the month of continuous movement on GBP USD. I'm expecting that this month will be very smooth. It will be filled with a lot of pips. The market will be very easy. So we should focus. Okay, not just focus on taking the best trades only. So my GBP USD sweet spot levels are the 3000 and the 3500. So 1.33400 and 1.33000. Okay, is anyone listening to me on this radio? This radio. So those two levels are the most important levels. I would even wish for you to check or to look. Okay, so let me see how many people on this live. All right, now if you want to get in at this particular level where price is selling, Well, there's no problem. No one is stopping you. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay? No one is stopping you. Go ahead. But for me, I cannot try to even go in. It is going to be detrimental to me. Stopping you, go ahead. But for me, I cannot try to even go in. Even the mere thought of trying to go in right now is making my head ache. Oh my god. It's making my head ache. So I would rather wait for price at those sweet spot levels which I've mentioned. Okay, we have gone 30 pips. That is okay. That's very okay. That's very okay. As I said, for me Monday is used as a stepping stone. I want to use Monday to give me a picture for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Unless Monday provides a very clean setup, I avoid trading on most Mondays. So that is my analysis on GBP USD. Now the next pair to look at is gold. Although I don't like trading gold, but I analyze gold I like to analyze gold. I just like to follow it. Okay? My friend, if you are trading gold right now, you must be having a lot of money. Your pockets must be extremely liquid. Not just liquid, extremely liquid. Because imagine if you got at this imagine these are 1932 pips. If you got in at the exact fib level and you did not have at least a stop loss of 2000 pips, okay, 2000 pips, hey. So about gold, I don't know whether this is a good time to buy gold. I surely don't know. I don't know whether this is a good time to buy gold, and I will not even waste my time trying to buy it. So as price action is indicating, I like to trade price action. I don't like to trade what I think is going to happen. I like to trade price action. So price action right now on gold is telling us one simple thing: gold has been on a sell, and that sell is likely to continue. That sell is likely to continue. that sell is likely to continue. Up to 3800. The problem with gold is only one. It's very high volatility, and sometimes it can come with a move which you never expected, and then that move is going to take you out. Oh my god. So for me, if anyone is to get into a sell right now for GBP, for gold, they will have to do what? So this is a short position. In fact, they can get in right now, and then that is going to be the so their stop loss will be, your stop loss will be 1,000 pips, and your target will be 4,000 pips. So a lot size of maybe 0.01, a lot size of 0.01 on $10,000, on $10,000. So if you don't have $10,000, you should not be trading gold, because right now the least stop loss you can put on gold is 1,000 pips, and for some trades even 2,000. That is if you respect stop loss and you use stop loss. If you don't respect those two things, then of course you can use any lot you like, and any pair you want, and any amount of capital you want to trade, you can do that. But if you respect your money and you have less than $10,000, you should not be anywhere near gold. In fact, you should be hearing the word gold and then you run away. You run away very fast. You run away. You run away. So that will be my trade for gold. 105, 1,000 pips. Stop loss 4,000 pips. Take profit. Now the next pair is which pair? Euro USD. So Euro USD or Euro dollar, as we can see, is a continuous sell. Just the same as GBP USD. Yes, I was thinking of changing my analysis, but when I look at my analysis is very okay. Okay, I think my analysis is very okay, I won't be changing it. That is what I want to see happen on GBP USD. Maybe we get to the sweet spot level, either of the two, and then we start seeing a sell. And mainly I can see that 3,000. That is what I see. We get there, maybe tomorrow, maybe today, then we start selling from that point. Any other entry will be very risky, by the way. Not only risky but extremely risky. So I will have to keep on observe. After all, it is better to wait for price than for price to take you by surprise. So that is what I'm looking at on GBP USD today. Let me put my alerts here. I put my alerts. All right, so my alert is set at 1 point at that level. At that level. Okay. Now, what is the other point I want to make? I don't have any other point I want to make. So thank you for your time. Let us see how price is going to continue unfolding in the next maybe few hours up to the New York session. So thank you for your time. Let's meet.